ਹੈਲੋ ਗਾਈਸ, ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਇੱਕ ਨਿਊ ਕਾਰਡ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਏ ਹਾਂ ਜਿਸ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਹੈ ਡਿਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਐਨ ਏਰੀਆ ਇਨ ਯੂਰ ਰੂਮ ਵੇਅਰ ਯੂ ਫੀਲ ਰਿਲੈਕਸਡ ਐਂਡ ਇਹਦੇ ਬੁਲਟ ਪੁਆਇੰਟਸ ਨੇ ਇਨ ਵਿਚ ਏਰੀਆ ਔਰ ਰੂਮ ਡੂ ਯੂ ਫੀਲ ਰਿਲੈਕਸਡ, ਵਾਈ ਡੂ ਯੂ ਫੀਲ ਰਿਲੈਕਸਡ ਦੇਅਰ, ਵਟ ਡੂ ਯੂ ਡੂ ਟੂ ਫੀਲ ਰਿਲੈਕਸਡ। ਸੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਵੈਲ ਇਨ ਦਿਸ ਗਲੋਬਲਾਈਜ਼ਡ ਇਓਨ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੈਗਾ ਇਨ ਦਿਸ cutting edge era the people are having busy schedule, so they are having very less time to relax. But when it comes to relax, every people relax in very different manner in order to relieve their stress level, such as while doing listening music, reading book and so on. But here I would like to take this opportunity to talk about an area in my abode means in my home where I like to relax myself. That area is the park in backyard of my home. Actually, I live in a countryside area, so greenery can be easily seen all around my house. As I like to relax myself while doing different types of activities, first and the foremost is that I am a nature lover person, so I keep on doing gardening. So I have planted ample of fruits and flowers in the backyard as it gives me inner satisfaction as well as peace. Moreover, I am a health conscious person. Health conscious means जो अपनी health का बहुत ध्यान रखता है. So in the morning I like to do yoga and meditation that make me feel relaxed. It will also aid me to make myself fit as a fiddle. Aid means help and fit and fiddle ਆਪਾਂ ਉਸ ਲਈ यूज़ कर सकते हैं जो मतलब बहुत fit ਹੁੰਦਾ person. As I am a nature lover person, I am keen interested in taking picture of scenic views so I can later upload it on the social networking sites to get attractive comments from my comrades that also give me peace due to my ability. Comrades ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ friends ਨੂੰ. Furthermore, this area of my abode is free from noise and hustle bustle. I can inhale fresh air and feel connected with the nature. The fragrance of flowers make me more attracted towards nature. So this is the area in my abode where I like to relax. So guys, I think that it would helpful for you. If you want to score more points, please subscribe my channel and I will give you more effective videos. Thank you for listening this video.